Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Simon from SimonWYHuang, and today you're going to be learning how to rank #1 on Google Map listing using Google My Business optimization. And this technique, you use it in 2018 and beyond. So recently, I found out that one of my clinic's website has now ranked #1 in one of the term query, and in both organic listing and the local map listing. So I'm going to show you exactly how it looks like on my screen right now. So just make sure, take notes, because I'll be showing you the exact step of how you're going to rank #1 on Google Map listing. Let's go to my screen right now. Alright, so this is my website, my clinic's website, to be honest. So I'm still updating it as we go on. But the important thing is it's actually ranking. So let's go to, this is the query. Pain prevention clinic in downtown Toronto. As you can see, it's shot up at #1 over here, and #1 in organic listing. So yay for me. Now it took a while, but I kind of get how you can do it right now. I also tried to rank for another query, which is pain control clinic. Again, this is not too bad. It's #2 on Google Map listing. You can see over here that I am nowhere to be found on page #1 or page #2. I'm on page #3 right now. Okay, so that's something that I can start ranking for. I no longer need to rank for pain prevention clinic, but I'll also start ranking for other stuff. I will show you exactly how we're gonna do it. So let's go to what the hell. Let's go to the screen right now. This is the cheat sheet that I made for you guys. Okay, so exactly how you're gonna rank on Google Map listing. This is the technique called local SEO checklist. This is actually the advanced technique. Okay, you don't just do what I do over here. This is the advanced technique. Okay, so let's break it down. Let's see if we can magnify this. Alright, we can see this better now. Okay. So, first and foremost, you need to do keyword research, and you have to put out the intent. So, in your website, you need to build a service page, service section, and this is how you're gonna target the largest keyword. Now, I didn't write down the way that I wrote, the way that I rank, but it's the same concept. So instead of build a service page, you build a home page for your main keyword, your main kind of business, plus the location. But to rank more keywords, sorry, my throat is a little bit ticklish, so I talk a little slow. To rank for other keywords, you need to build a service section. So like right here, you need to build a services page. I built that out so then I can start having all these multiple pages afterward. Okay, they're not done yet. So that's how you can rank for the other keyword. Now you should also be using what we call the citation site to rank for other keywords. Citation sites are like Yelp pages, Yellow pages, Foursquare, you name it. I mean, I'll show you a list of it. Excuse me. How are you gonna rank it? You're gonna use city plus the type of business. Now this is how you do it. So if it's on Yelp pages, the type of business will be Toronto Pain Relief Clinic. You can also, you should also be pitching local bloggers to get links. So on Google, you type in best plus business type plus the city. So same thing as this, Best Toronto Pain Relief Clinic. So we can do a quick search. So right now, let's see if they have any. So all these are being taken by old website. These are all very old website. They have the age of these websites are much older than mine. But what I'm trying to do is trying to find bloggers. Of course, there's the star.com. There's the justdial.com. I think this is a blogger? No, this is a review site. Okay, so the review site may be useful for you if they allow you to do listing. Yes, they allow you to do listing. Okay, they allow you to do listing. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one and check. Let's copy and paste to my. Okay, so it's actually pretty hard to find bloggers. You have to kind of go through it. Blog. Back in balance, this is blog. That's all their blog. Okay, that's a little hard. Okay. So so that doesn't work. That you have to really do your homework. Okay, so let's talk about how you can rank it much easier. I focus on the on-page SEO. So you first have to be mobile focused on your website. Because everybody typically when they're searching business around them, they're using their cell phone. So make sure it's responsive, make sure it's fast, make sure it's easy to load on your cell phone. Page title, make sure you have the location plus the main keyword, and then secondary keyword plus brand name. For example, you can put in Downtown Toronto Pain Relief Clinic dash acupressure, acupuncture, and osteopathy, and what did I write? And osteopathy dash e-therapy. I don't think I wrote it like that. I wrote it like Pain Relief and Prevention Center, Downtown Toronto. So I can actually change this to make it even better. So this is on your own page. This is called meta title. So if you optimize this properly, then you can get listed on Google Map listing much faster. Now, also use citation title to capture other keyword searches. So it says Google My Business over here. I'm going to take you to my Google My Business. Sorry, my throat is really not too good right now. Where's Google My Business? Alright, come on, let's go. Sign in. Okay, so this is Google My Business. If you guys haven't claimed this, you need to go claim it. Leave me a message if you don't have any ways to claim it. Oh, by the way, guys, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. It will help me a lot. I'm producing content every single week, so so that's why it will be very helpful. I'll record like business tips, optimization tips, and so on. So just hit that subscribe button, and then if you like this video or don't like it, hit the like or the whatever button, and leave me a comment. Anyways, let's keep going. So the Google My Business listing, you need to use a particular site title. So you need to put out the brand name first, and the location, and then your keyword. So I did the same thing over here. Brand name, location, and keyword. So that is how you're gonna optimize the title of your Google My Business listing. This is very important. Please go and activate or claim your Google My Business. If you have a location, you have a physical location. Anybody who's running a clinic, agency, or any sort of offices, they have a local business location, please go sign up Google My Business listing. So over here, number 3, it says associate the website with a verified Google My Business location, and then embed the Google Maps in the website footer. I should have done that, right? I did? No, I forgot to do that. So here, that's something I can also enhance. See if I put it in my content page. No, I did not. So yeah, I mean, you guys can see that there's a lot of things I can do. Still, getting reviews, pull real live reviews onto the page. I don't do that if you're a clinic. I don't do that because of our regulations. We're not allowed, as a healthcare clinic owner, we're not allowed to put reviews on our website. You can, however, put reviews on Google My Business because this is not you who did the review. You didn't ask for it, but your patients who love your product, who loves your services, however, you know, they like to leave a review. So let them. This is very important because in order to get listed here much faster, you need to have reviews. I don't know how this guy with 2.8 star got to page number 3. I honestly don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, hi, Mount Sinai people. Okay. If you are not a clinic, then you should be doing this page step number 4. Okay. You have to pull a real life Google review, get a developer, or call me, contact me. I'll do that for you. And then you have to place a schema markup. That's a special code that shows clearly how Google looks at you. And if you have the schema markup, then you can actually, nobody does it here, but if you use other businesses, you will show like stars, like this. Google My Business listing or Google Maps listing will show stars over here, but it won't show stars over here. Now let's go to business images. I add the images to help visitors to go into your website. Use proper alt attributes. So this is talking about both Google My Business images and your website. Photos. So you go into photos. You're gonna add in the cover photo, the profile photo, or the logo. The 360 is done by Google Car. Add in the photos that's related to your business. As you can see, I haven't added photos for a while, since 2016. That's bad. That's actually really bad. Please don't do that. You can now add videos. So record a short video, 30 seconds top. Okay? They don't say it here, but 30 seconds top. And then just quickly describe your website, not your website, your business, yourself, your staff, and so on. It actually tells you what to put in. Okay, so over here it says by owner, which is whatever is uploaded by you, by customer.
You are 0.12 miles, 0.19 kilometers, south of the center of metropolitan Toronto.
I did not know why I did that. Anyways, the interior 2016 updated, so I'll take a few more photos. Exterior, you have to take photos of the outside of your business. Okay, so at work, same thing. Team, you can put your name, your face, identity. This is your cover photos and your profile photo. That's what you need to do on the Google My Business listing. Make sure you do that. But you should also do that on your home page, on your whatever page. On all these pages, you need to add in something called alt attribute. It's fairly easy to add if you're using WordPress, but if you inspect this will say natural. So that's a bad alt attribute. I'm gonna change that. It says upload anatomy. Yeah, 003 anatomy. So I haven't completely optimized this website yet because I don't have time. I'm treating patients like crazy. I also have to do a lot of agency work. So, and I'm updating my own agency website, which is I'm going to show you at the end. What else is next? Business info. In each citation pages, if you have more than one, you need to include the name, address, phone number, email address, website address, and opening hours. Placed in the footer if you have one location. Gotta be the same format as Google My Business listing. Okay, so what does that mean? I'll close this one. Close this one. Okay, so if you click on here, you see this address? Okay. See this address, hours, phone number, name, address, phone number has to be exactly the same when you put it in here in your website or your other citation. Address? Oh, no. So over here, address 567 Young ST, not 567 Young Street, because it has to be exactly the same as this shown on Google Map. Okay, this is very important. What's next? Email address, simon@etherapy.com. It doesn't show here. I don't know why. Phone number is bracket 416, close bracket 966-8828. So the same thing over here. It has to be exactly the same. Sorry, something stuck in my nose. So that's what it means by business info. Now, if you have Yelp pages, it has to be the same as well. External link. Important to have links to your Google My Business listing, maps, location, citation, social media channel. Basically, this means that at the bottom of your website, you should have these links that goes directly to your social links. I should put Yelp pages in here. I should have probably. I should. What else is there? Yeah. So this is the social. This is the Google. I didn't put Google My Business link. Okay. So there's a lot of things that I need to update. Then there's unique content, unique page content. Okay, so you need to write unique content 250 to 400 words to improve social rank. This is talking about the services page and the sub-services page. So each pages that I create underneath this, so you see here is underneath about this FAQs. That has to be 250 to 400 words. Same thing, I'll be creating services like acupuncture, acupressure, etc. Now, if you guys have the same business, follow this concept. This is important, okay? You guys need to follow this, and I'm gonna update. What else is next? Write a location-specific information, nearby landmarks, cross street, include images. So basically, if you guys are on your website, okay, in the about page, underneath the about page should include a location subpage, and within the location you'll write specific information like landmark, the cross intersection street, images that represent your location. That will include more location ranking, okay? So make sure you do that. Now this is schema markup. This is the most technical part of this update, of this optimization. For whatever from this point and above, page number 1 to the top of page number 2, it's something that's really easy. You don't need a developer like me. You don't need a website designer. You just follow my instruction and do it. If you don't know how to do it, go look at my blog or contact me through the comment below and I'll help you. What is schema markup? So it basically helps you helps Google to understand your page content properly. It's using something called JSON LD format, improve proper location schema markup. Yeah, free tool. Now, if you guys want this list, leave me a comment down below. Leave me a comment down below. If there's enough people, like more than 10, that wants to have this list, because I did this for myself and my agency only, because this is a training list. If you want this list, leave me a comment down below, and then I'll share this list with those who leave me in the comment. Okay. There's also these pages. This is all taken directly from Google. Like I said, this is getting the technical part. Explain what JSON LD is. Okay, so install schema markup through GTM. GTM stands for Google Tag Manager. If you guys have not done Google Tag Manager installation, you probably won't understand this. I talked about this in my blog. I'll leave the link down below. But you basically have to create a new tag. Tag type is custom HTML. I mean, this generator is from this. Local business microdata is also another thing that tells Google your business is tied to a physical location. So this will go into a location page. Add a review. If you are not a clinic, go ahead. If you're a clinic, please don't do that. I wrote this page here, claim and optimize Google My Business page, just for you guys again. Kind of refreshing. Because map pack ranking, it's directly corresponded with Google My Business listing. So you need to verify it. When you click on it, it will go into verification, or typing on Google Business My Business page, or Google My Business, yeah, something like that. Make sure you complete the info section, add the correct info and hours, and add the location page URL as the website link. Where is that page? And this is where you put it. So this is, you click on it, you change your business name, make sure it's brand or location plus keyword. This is category. You can put all your category in there, but you can't make it up. It has to be something underneath what Google has. The location, make sure you put in the right location. You don't deliver good, so click no. Make sure you put in the right postal and and the province, or if you're in the United States. The hours have to be exactly the same. And any special day that's been closed, what the hell is this? Labor Day. There's a civic holiday? I have no idea. Phone number. This is your business phone number. You need to verify it. They will call you. They will actually send you an email. Website. I usually just put in the home page. I could put in the location page, which is kind of odd. Appointment page. I have an appointment page. You should all have an appointment page. Any business should have an appointment page, okay? Any business should have an appointment page. So it has to be within your website, because all the links should stay within your website. This is an embed form from Acuity Scheduling, and you can do it very easily. And whatever people want to do, click on it. Click on it. It's all within your website, and then they will get redirected to a thank you page. Okay, this is very, very important. What's next? You can now add services in here. I didn't add any services yet. I will be. Just so much to do. I'm telling you this. All these information, you should know how to do it. What else is there? Keyword title, already said that. Gather reviews. Okay, always try to gather reviews any way possible. You can write an email sequence, sending a certification email, and then if those who likes give you the number 10, send them a follow-up email for review. Clean up citation pages. Citation pages, you have to use WiSpark. Okay, I'll leave the link down below. Check out Yelp pages, Avo, Clutch, whatever. That's the tier 1. Tier 2, that's like a smaller block. Citation pages are very, very different. If you don't know how to do it, you can outsource it. Don't worry about publication because unless you're willing to do it, this is the part that I'm talking about for the bloggers. You have to reach out to different bloggers. This is the real building a web, around your business. The real stuff is not the PBN or black hat technique that they use the drop domain name that's no longer existing. Don't use those. Google will check. Basically, you go find the author, record the contact info, and then put them in the Google Sheet. Then send us a personalized email. Please do not use mine. You're not an agency. Don't use mine. Come up with your own pitch. If you're a clinic owner, you just say, "Hey, I'm so and so. I run what kind of clinic, and I was interested if you want to put my blog post in your website." Something like that. And then if they say yes, then great, you get the backlink. If they say no, move on to the next one. You basically have to get whole kinds of bloggers. And that's it. That's it for today. And so, I hope you get lots and lots out of this tutorial today. I'm sorry, I don't think I'm feeling too well today. But if you do this right, if you do this correctly, you will see your business listed on Google Map listing and even on the organic listing. I need to continue working on that. Meanwhile, I hope all the best. Please follow this instruction. If you didn't understand it, go back to the beginning of the video. I'll show you exactly how. And if you still don't understand it, leave me a comment down below. Ask me to speak with me. We'll schedule a time together, and then I'll help you. Thank you for watching this video. I know this is a pretty bad video because of my throat. But subscribe, hit the subscribe button. If you haven't done so, hit the notification button down there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And leave me a comment down below if you have any question about this steps and if you want my help. I'll see you later. Ciao.